Most people are making those straight lines down the bridge of their nose. I'm going to show you what I was doing before. And then I would blend it out. And I'd go in with a sponge to kind of try to diffuse it a little bit. And I don't know, my nose never looked any smaller. Doesn't really look like anything, just looks kind of dirty. I'm gonna wipe this off and I'm actually gonna show you how I figured out the best way for my nose shape, and maybe this will help you too. Instead of going down the middle of my nose, I've actually just been going on a brush and going on the side of my nose instead, and blending that out, just staying in the middle section. I'm not going down the middle or bridge of my nose. I'm just creating depth on the side. And now I just spend a little bit of time blending it out. Then I'll take my sponge and just diffuse that slightly. Again, keeping it on the side of my nose and not down the middle or on the bridge of it. I kind of scrunch my nose up and just go into that part right there for a little bit more of a button nose, and diffuse. A little bit of concealer down the bridge. Pat, pat, pat. A better nose contour for me. It's more subtle, it gives definition. Never really gonna have a very skinny nose, so drawing two straight lines down the middle is just not a good look for me. This gives shadow right where I need it to be, and it looks way more natural. So if you have been having problems with contouring your nose and you just feel like the two stripes down the middle of it is not working for you, try adding it to the sides of your nose and blending in. Hope this